Hello students, today we will be learning about bubble sort algorithm. Okay, this is agenda for today. Let us keep this aside. Apart from that, let us talk something. So tell me, how was your day? How is everything going on? Is that okay? So is there any difficulties that you are facing with? Okay. Okay, no worries. Kind of busy life is quite normal. Okay. So apart from that, so everything should be going good. Is it okay? Okay. Okay, please reply me on the chat. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So tell me, how do you prepare yourself when some exams or some term exams like for example in Masai only we have weekly tests, right? How will you prepare yourself? Mhm. So on Sundays also you will sit and study. Okay, that's nice. Fine. Okay, nice to hear that you all work on Sundays also. Fine then. Okay, let us quickly move to the today's agenda. So before moving to that, first tell me, what do you mean by algorithm? Yes, exactly. Algorithm is something where predefined rules are written so that certain things need to be done in certain way. This is what algorithm. In that, there are many sorting algorithms like special sort, merge sort, and etc. Many are there. In that, we'll be looking at bubble sort algorithm today. So, tell me, what do you mean by bubble sort algorithm? Hmm. Any guesses? Any guesses? Do anyone have any guesses? Anybody having any guesses? Okay, y'all are hearing this for the first time. It's fine. Okay. Let me tell you what is bubble sort algorithm. Before that, let us play one small game. Let me ask you something. So here, how many of you know how to cook the rice? How to cook the rice? So many of you know, but I don't know. You know what I will do? I will just first keep the rice on the stove. Later on, I'll turn off the stove. Later, I'll take the rice. Later, I'll just add water to it. Then I'll just keep it on the stove. Later, I'll take the cooked rice and I'll just wash the rice. So this is the procedure what I follow. Is this correct? Can anyone correct me like how to do? Let me share the whiteboard. Give me a minute. So is this is the procedure that I follow? Like, can you tell me, is this the correct procedure what I follow? If not, please correct me. Who can correct me? Yes, definitely anyone can correct me. So what I will do is, I will just first keep my rice on the stove and I'll cook it. First, I'll cook it. Fine. Later, what I'll do, I will just take take the cooked rice and I will just see any adulterations are there in that rice. And later on, after looking into the adulteration in the cooked rice, what I'll do, I will just take that thing and I will wash the cooked rice. Wash cooked rice. Is this the correct procedure? Can anyone say me what is the correct procedure if it is wrong? Who all think this is the wrong? And what do you think is the right procedure? Please tell. Okay. First thing is what? First, what should I do? I should take the rice which is not cooked and should wash it. Okay. Then what should I do? Yes, after washing it, then later on. So okay. You're wrong. Okay, fine. So tell me what is the right procedure? Okay, not washing is first. Okay. First, then what you should do? First, you should check for adulterates. Adulterations, fine. Later on, what you need to do? Later on, you should wash it. Later on, what you should do? Later on, you need to cook this. Fine. Okay, the procedure seems correct. So let me tell you. So to bring it to this procedure, what you have done it here, is you're just exchanging the things. So you're just bringing this over middle, this over first, and this over last. Something exchanging or rearranging is happening here between my procedure and your procedure. So your procedure is definitely correct. So I will go with this procedure. Okay. So now let me ask you for the another example. Okay. So my another example is, I want the rainbow colors. Fine. I want rainbow colors. So according to me, what are the rainbow colors? So so indigo, violet, blue, yellow, green, orange, and red. These are the WebGyor colors according to me, the rainbow colors. These are the colors. Is this correct? Tell me, is this correct? No? Okay. So can you rearrange what you can? I want you to go step by step. First check with the I, then go with the V, then go with the B. Like the check and then arrange. Okay. So okay, you're ready to go? Yes. Tell me. Should I be in the first position? We don't know, right? So what is the next letter? Is V. So we need V. Okay. So according to you, V is the first color, right? So you need to exchange this V and I first. Okay. Okay, I have placed V and I over here. Later on, what will happen? As a second step, I has, okay, fine. We are checking with I only. We have exchanged first iteration we have done. So later on, what we will do? We will go with the V and B. So are they in the order? Is B the next color according to I? Yes, B is. So after B, what is the color that should come? Yes, exactly. It is green, but we have yellow over here, right? Okay, this is not correct. So what should we do? Yes, we need to exchange this both. So what will happen? G will come here, Y will come here. So later on, are the colors okay? Yes, exactly. The colors are okay. So this is the exact order of WebGyor. Yes, I have reversed the colors to show the wrong. I have used green and the right one is written in red. So don't worry, that's okay. This is the right and this is the wrong thing. Okay, we have got it. So what is done? So some sorting is done here. Some kind of sorting done, right? One more example, if we can take, what can we take? Do you all play cards? Do you all play cards? Yes. So what is the order? First is A, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Jack, Queen, King. Fine, this is the order, right? And at last also A will come, but that's okay. So if they're shuffled, what you will do, you will just rearrange them. So if some A 3 4 is there and 2, okay, 2 is also there, what you will do, you will just try to arrange it in the order A 2 3 4. This is the right order, and this is the order where merging or sorting is needed. Sorting is needed. Okay, so guys, you all have done a great job. Why? Because you have helped me to arrange the WebGyor colors, and also you have helped me to cook rice in proper way. That's really nice. Okay, now let us quickly learn what is bubble sort algorithm means. So for example, we have 3, 4, 2, 6, 7 here. So what does need to be done? The thing we need to do is here some 3, 4 is there. So it should be arranged in ascending order. It should be arranged in ascending order. So to arrange this in an ascending order, we need to follow step-by-step procedure. So as the first step, 3 is less than 4. True or no? Tell me. 3 less than 4 is true or false. So I'll just write a small table over here. 3 less than 4 is true, right? So here no sorting required. So 4 is less than 2. True or false? It is false. So here sorting required. So as a first step, what will happen? The sorting will happen here. 3, 2, 4 will be here. They are sorted. And next, like these two items are checked. Now 4 is like 4 is checked. 4 and 6 are there. Like 4 is less than 6. It is true. So 4 is retained here. Then 6 and 7 are compared. So it is okay, the order. So it is retained as it is. So when we go to the next iteration, what will happen? So here 3, 2, 4, 6, 7 is there. Now comparing first two elements, 3 and 2. Are 3 and 2 is in the right order? Is 3 less than 2 true? No, it is not true. So what is happening? There is sorting taking place between these two. So 2 will come here and 3 will come here. So next 4 is there. 3 and 4, they are in order. Yes, 3 is less than 4. They are in order. So 4 is retained. And 4 and 6, they are also in order. 4 is less than 6. They are in order. So 6 is retained, as 7 is fixed over here because it is the last element. Fine. Now later on what will happen? It will again recheck the things whether they are correct or not. So now again what will happen? We have, yes, fine. Here we will check. 2 is less than 3. True or false? It is true. So they are 2 is retained. So 3 less than 4. True or false? It is true. It is retained. So 4 is less than 6. It is also true. So it is retained, and 6 and 7 are fixed almost. So the final sorted array is this: 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So we do not require the extra block over here. I'll just remove this block. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 are here. So the thing is, see, we go step by step. We take 2 elements, we just check. We take 2 elements, we just check. If they're not in the order, we just exchange the things. This is what the bubble sort algorithm is. So this is how we will be checking the bubble sort algorithm. So first what we need to do, we will be having 2 pointers. So that 2 pointers will be checked. 1 pointer over here, 1 pointer over here. We can just call them as I and J. What we can do while if we are writing a code, we can just take this and we can just store it in a temporary file. Later, storing this into temporary file, we can just go on exchanging the numbers and pushing them to the temporary file. So this is how the bubble sort algorithm is, how it will work. So students, did you all understand how it is going to work? Okay, fine. Can you all try now, like how it is going to work and all? Can you all try? Okay. So what I'll do here, I will just take a function first. I will just take a function. I will just take a function called bubble. Fine. What will be my parameter over here? Okay, array. I'll just take it as array. Within that, what I need to do? Tell me what I need to do within that. So first thing is I need to take something called for loop. My for loop will be running from I is equal to 0 up to I is equal to n minus 1. So I want two elements to be compared. So I'll be taking one more for loop where J will be running. It will be also running from same. Okay, J will also run from here, and it will also run up to n minus 1 only. It will also run. So always J will be with I plus 1, or like the 2 elements will be compared, right? It will be I plus 1. So fine. So then later on what I'll do, I'll just take my J. So I'll just check the condition first. If my array of J if my array of j is greater than array of j plus 1. Okay. If this is the condition, then what I'll do? So later on, I'll just take a temporary file. Within that, I'll place my array of j. I'll place my, if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, I'll just place my array of j here. So are you getting? I think so you're getting. So later on, what can we do? Can anyone guess what is the condition that we can do here? So what I'll be doing, as I said, I'll be storing array of j plus 1 over here. Later on, I'll just push array of j plus 1 to array of j. Later on, what I'll do, I will just make array of j is equal to temp. Fine. So this is how the conditions I'll make. So students, as I said you, I have explained everything. So you need to think one thing. There is some mistake in this code. So find the mistake. Find the mistake. Who is going to find the mistake over here? Please find the mistake. Please find the mistake. There is some mistake. Because of that, you cannot run this program. Yes, I want every one of you to look into it. If you want, you can just type this and you can run the code, and you need to find the mistake, where the mistake is, and what changes if you make, it will work fine. So this is the thing I need it now. Who can make this? Let me see. Okay, exactly. Yeah, I'm getting some right answers. Yes, I'm getting some right answers. Exactly. As I said you, the last elements of any of the array, for example, we got like 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. As I said here, the last elements will be fixed every time. It will not go up to n minus 1. The upper limit will be I minus n minus 1, and j starting limit will be 0. Exactly, you have found it, students. Very good. So come on, let us move on to the next step quickly. So fine then. Now I can stop sharing the screen. So yes, you have done it. So you all understood, right? What is bubble sort algorithm? So I just want you to give one more activity. So I want you to find the mistake in this code also. So here everything is given. The algorithm is written, the complete code is written, but I want you to find the mistake. If you want, I will run the code for you. See, I want this array to come in the ascending order, but here something else is happening. So who will find the exact solution for this? Where the mistake is? Just now I have explained over there what is the thing. Just now I have explained, just now. Just check. So you're telling there is mistake in line number 8. What mistake is there in line number 8? I want what is the mistake also. I want you to correct. Okay, so this should be j plus 1 and this should be j. Okay, I will just correct it and will show you. So it is j plus 1 and this is j, right? Okay, I will just run it. No, it is not the mistake. It is not the mistake. So this is correct, I think. So tell me, what is the mistake? Okay, somebody is getting. There is mistake in line number 7. Okay, what is the mistake? Temp is equal to array of j only. Okay, let me run it. Yes, we are getting the correct output. Exactly. Congratulations, you have found out the mistake. What is here? So nice. See, now we are getting the exact output, and this is how you will be debugging something. From one side you need to go, you need to check where the exact mistake lies, and you need to concentrate on what we are telling also. So see here, As it is explained before also, in before class also, I have explained you. So here we are going through two loops. So the time complexity is O of n square. And as we are not using any space extra, the space complexity is O of 1. So I think the bubble sort algorithm is clear to you all. So hope you all will be doing the same exercise today. So please try it for yourself. Later only, like, you will get what exactly is the thing. So once you try doing everything, once you try for yourself, then only you will get exact solution. So who all have got well and good, who all have not got yet, please try. Please do homework on this and you will get the perfect solutions. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.